Miss Carl de la Merced, miss na ang Kim Pao. Pinatunayan kung gaano kabuting tao ang lovely couple. Tila, namiss ng husto ni Miss Carlina de la Merced ang Kim Pao tandem ni na Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino. Nagbahagi nga si Miss Carl sa kanyang Instagram account ng video ng dalawa at tanging naging caption niya ay Awar, happy pills, missing Kimi and Pao, sobrang love namin kayo dahil napakabuti niyong tao, napakaganda ng puso niyo, through thick and thin, sa hirap at ginhawa, we'll always be here for you. Just as you've always been there for everyone else. We love you both. Always. See you soonest. Agad namang pinutakti ang naturang post na yon ni Miss Carlina de la Merced. Kim Pao forever. Kahit anong batikos nyo kay Kim, Kim Pao forever ako. Through thick and thin. We all here for both of you. Hashtag Kim Pao. Hi, Kim Pao, we miss you both. Mom and Dad, OMG, sana magka-baby na ang Kim Pao. Love you, Kim Pao. Cutie. Kim Pao, miss kong walang iwanan. Panatag, together, forever in love, loving Kim Pao. My happy pill, more power, and blessing, loving Kim Pao. Miss namin kayong dalawa. People superstar Kim Pao. Kim Pao solid forever, God bless you always. Hi sana all na lang. Hoping forever na. Marami kayong napapasaya lalong kayong sisikat at magkakaroon kaya ng sitcom na mag-asawa. Strong and stronger together. Forever. Good health. God bless you, Kim Pao. Comfortable talaga si Paulo pag nakasandal at dikit sa kanyang Kimi. That's where he wants to be always. Himlay na himlay naman si Pao sa pictorial. Kim Pao forever. Panatag. Walang iwanan sa Kim Pao. Forever Kim Pao. I love this couple. Very natural. I love what I am seeing. Bagay na bagay sila. Kim's learning Korean language for Copino as posted by Miss Carl de la Merced. Walang iwanan ha. God bless you both and family. Mga bashers at trolls, pasok. Sige, tingnan natin kung hindi kayo atakihin at maninigas sa inggit. O diba? Tila miss na rin ni Miss Carl de la Merced ang Kim Pao na napakabuting tao. At talaga namang marami ring natutulungan sina Kim at Paulo. Kayo, anong reaction nyo regarding dito? Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more info.